Ugh, someone just roasted you? Got that super annoying negative feedback? Yeah, the first thing you want to do is get all defensive, right? Like, nah, you're wrong, or just totally ignore it. It feels like they're attacking you, not just what you did. But like, what if all that negative stuff isn't just bad? What if it's actually like a cheat code to get better? Seriously, let's talk about why it stings so bad and how to actually learn from it without having a meltdown. So here's the deal. When someone criticizes you, it totally pokes at that fear we all have of, like, not being good enough, or wanting everyone to think we're awesome at stuff. It feels like a direct hit to your confidence. So, boom, shield up. We start picking apart how they said it, or how unfair it is, or who even are they to tell us instead of, what they actually said. Your brain's all like, they just don't get it. They're totally wrong. This is so unfair. And when you're busy being defensive, you totally miss any actual helpful bits. Okay, real talk, criticism is basically like a mirror. It shows you what other people are seeing from outside your own head. The game changer isn't when you totally own them with a comeback. It's when you actually, lower your shield and peek at what they're saying, even if it makes you cringe a bit. It's deciding to learn from it. This means you gotta chill with the instant emotional freak out and get curious. You gotta remember, you are not your homework or your TikTok or whatever they're talking about. Just ask yourself, okay, is there anything true in this? What can I actually get from their point of view? Doing that turns criticism from a personal attack into actual useful info. So how do you actually learn from this stuff without losing it? You gotta listen to actually understand, then break down what they said without freaking out, and then pull out the bits you can actually use. Stop just reacting or instantly being like, nope. Start seeing it as info to help you level up. It's not about agreeing with every single hater. It's about finding the gold nuggets. When someone gives you feedback, just take a breath. Try to listen without jumping in or getting all but. Thank them for it, even if it feels super awkward. Then later, when you're not so worked up, really look at it. Is any of it true? Is it specific stuff you can actually do something about? Think about who said it. Do they know what they're talking about? Or are they just being mean? If it's super vague, maybe ask them to explain more. Then, pull out the useful stuff. What can you actually change or try differently? You're not just taking every negative thing as gospel. You're being smart and using feedback to get better. So, what happens when you actually start learning from criticism all the time? You get better, way faster. You get tougher, and you don't crumble every time someone says something you don't like. You find out stuff you would have totally missed. That awful feeling of dreading someone's opinion. It gets replaced by knowing you can use literally anything to get better. Learning from criticism wasn't about just taking hits. It was the secret sauce to speeding up your own glow up. So, next time someone gives you feedback, remember it's a chance to grow. Deal with your first reaction, listen for the info, and look for what you can actually do. Trust that learning from this stuff will help you get better and stronger. If this helped you out today, smash that like button. And maybe share it with a friend who totally loses it over negative feedback. They might need this more than you think. And hey, if you want more tips on learning, growing, and dealing with opinions, hit subscribe. Listen, break it down, use it. Learn from criticism.